Membrane is to cell as atmosphere is to... With an analogy question like this one, our first step will be to try and understand the relationship between the given words, in this case, membrane and cell. Here, we can say that the connection is that a membrane surrounds the cell. As our given word is atmosphere, let's try and find something the atmosphere surrounds. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. A. Ground. As the ground is technically surrounded by atmosphere, let's keep an eye on this choice as we check out our other options. B. Earth. This answer is a clearer answer than ground, as although Earth can be understood as dirt, it also represents the entire planet, which the atmosphere undoubtedly surrounds. As this is, so far, a better choice than ground, we can mark choice A off and keep an eye on choice B as we head on. C. Sky. While the sky is visible within the atmosphere, it isn't something the atmosphere surrounds. Since this doesn't fit our relationship as well as Earth does, we can mark this choice as incorrect. D. Meteor. A meteor is an object that passes through the atmosphere when entering Earth's vicinity, but it isn't entirely accurate to describe it as something the atmosphere surrounds. This choice can be marked off. E. Space. Space lies outside the atmosphere, not within it or surrounded by it. This being the case, we can mark this choice off as well. And F. Gas. While the atmosphere is made up of gas, gas itself isn't something the atmosphere surrounds. Based on this option can be marked as incorrect, and we can mark choice B, Earth, as our final answer.